Hi, welcome to my digital video class. In this class, let us see differentiating abelian and non-abelian symmetry point groups in group theory. Abelian symmetry point groups, non-abelian symmetry point groups. The symmetry point groups in which all symmetry elements do commute each other are called abelian symmetry point groups. Here, the symmetry point groups in which all symmetry elements do not commute each other are called non-abelian symmetry point groups. To understand this, let us see two different character tables. Here C2V, here C3V. To understand these character tables, let us see explanation of some notations which are used in character table. IR, irreducible representation, CL, class, LFs, linear functions, QFs, quadratic functions, CFs, cubic functions, G, symmetry operations in the class, H, sum of all symmetry operations in the symmetry point group, IRs, number of irreducible representations, K, number of classes, H, order of the symmetry point group. Let us see the condition for the abelian and non-abelian symmetry point groups. IRs equals to K. Here also IRs equals to K. Number of irreducible representations equals to number of classes. Here also this is from the great orthogonality theorem. We will see it in the next video class. Here IRs equals to K, which is equals to H. But here IRs equals to K, which is not equal to H. Let us see in the character table. C2V character table, number of IRs 4, number of classes 4, IRs equals to K. Here C3V character table, number of IRs 3, number of classes 3, IRs equals to K. Let us see H is 4, 4 symmetry operations are there. E, C2, sigma V dash. E, C2, sigma V dash. Here H is 6, 6 symmetry operations are there. E, C3 plus, C3 minus, sigma V dash, sigma V double dash. Here IRs equals to K, which is less than 6. IRs and K are 3, number of IRs 3, number of classes 3, 3 is less than 6, H. Here IRs equals to 4, K equals to 4, H is also 4. This is abelian symmetry point group. This is non-abelian symmetry point group. Let us, in abelian symmetry point group, in each class only one symmetry operation is present. G1, G2, G3, G4 all are equals to 1. Here G1, G2 or G3 or G4 all are equals to 1. This is abelian symmetry point group. It can be related to here the symmetry point groups in which all symmetry elements do commute each other are called abelian symmetry point group. In each class only one symmetry element or operation is present and all they do commute each other. Here number of IRs 3, number of classes 3, but operations are 6. Let us see the second line. Some symmetry elements which are in conjugacy form one class together in character table. Before this, let us see this one also. Each symmetry element form one class separately in character table. It means in each class only one symmetry element or operation is present. But here some symmetry elements which are in conjugacy form one class together in character table. It means, for example, you see, out of these 6 operations, E first class, C3 plus and C3 minus symmetry operations are in conjugacy and form one class together, that is second class named as 2C3. 2 operations are there. In the third class, sigma V dash, sigma V double dash, these 3 symmetry operations are in conjugacy and forming the one single class, that is 3 sigma V class. 3 classes, E class, 2C3 class with 2 symmetry operations, 3 sigma V class with 3 symmetry operations. Here in each class, number of symmetry operations are 1 or more than 1 symmetry operations are there. Symmetry operations in each class is equals to or greater than 1. Equals to 1 or greater than 1. Next, let us see examples of abelian and non-abelian symmetry point groups. Here low symmetry point groups are 3. Here high symmetry point groups are 7. These low symmetry point groups 3 are C1, Ci, Cs. Here 7 high symmetry point groups are T, Td, Th, O, OH, I, IH. C and S groups are 4. Here C groups are 2, Cn, Sn, C2V, CnH. Here CnV, n greater than 2 and C infinity V. Here D groups are 2. Here D groups are 4, D2 and D2H. Here Dn, n greater than 2, Dnd, Dnh, n greater than 2, and last D infinity H. Here IRs equals to K, which is equals to H. This is abelian symmetry point group. Here IRs equals to K, which is not equals to H. If you want to specifically say IRs equals to K, which is less than H, this is non-abelian symmetry point group. Thank you.